Made Media Magazine. First, I need everybody, please hit that like button, share this video, and if you ain't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Now, reports coming in that Los Angeles rapper, who is also a Grammy Award winner, and he got the keys to the city. Jayrock, man. Everybody heard of Jayrock, part of the TDE camp with Kendrick Lamar and all them. Well, reports coming in from Los Angeles News that yesterday around 6 p.m., they attempted to pull over Jayrock for, they ain't got no reason, but they attempted to pull him over. Jayrock didn't pull over, put him short little high-speed chase real quick. Then he eventually pulled over. They detained him, and you know, they found the gun, man. You know, they found the gun. So Jayrock is in the LA County jail, man, and you know, with a gun charge. You know, my thing is this, man. You know, I mean, I don't know how well you're doing financially, but you know, you're a Grammy Award winner, keys to the city, you doing shows with Kendrick Lamar and all that. Higher security, you know what I'm saying? There's no reason for you to be catching a charge like this. But you know, let me know what y'all think about this in the comments. Please hit that like, hit that share, subscribe. Shout out to Trenches News, man. Make sure y'all get that book, How I Survived Chicago Drill, directly from Swiper on IG or Nene Marie 37. You get it directly from them, you get an autographed copy. Or else get on Amazon.com. But make sure you get that book, How I Survived Chicago Drill, by Trenches News. Shout out to the Mod Squad. I'm out.
If you want to support me, make sure you go ahead, Nene Marie 37 in her inbox if you want a signed copy of my book, man.